Hi, Mr. Callahan here at the SJCOE Fab Lab, and we are looking at a game called Bocce Ball. The idea is that we were trying to get a ball, and you know, we're just using a couple of wheels together as a ball. The idea is to get a ball as close to the line as possible, but not go past. If you go past, you lost. But we want to be the one that gets closest. And part of that is making a decision, right? See, this ball has forces on it. There's the force of gravity pulling down. Well, there's going to be the force of my robot pushing it. There's going to be the force of drag, like air resistance, slowing it up. There's also the normal force from the ground supporting it and causing friction. There's multiple forces. What I want to do is add enough force here so that I accelerate to get here. See, the motion comes from the sum of the forces. And we're going to test this out. We're going to gather a little bit of data. We're going to see what happens. So I've written a program that I have right here. I'm going to run it. Notice I've set my motor to run, but I'm also going to set a motor speed. Okay, I'm going to say, let's go with 40%. Okay. We can't quite set the amount of force directly, but we can say how fast the motor's going to speed or to spin, and really what that's saying is how much force we want it to apply to make it spin. So what we're really saying in this block is the amount of force that we're going to apply, even though it says speed. Okay, let's try running this. Okay, I'm going to hit play. A little bit too much. All right, so that's more force than we needed. 40% is too much. I'm going to decrease. That we're using the engineering design process. Let's try it again. Only 30%. Okay. Let's see how far we got. That looks like, I'm going to go with centimeters instead, 25 centimeters, very close. I'm going to record that value, that I made it 25 centimeters with 30% force. Let's try a little bit less. I'm going to say 20. All right. See what happens. Oh, okay. Let's see. Oh, only 9 centimeters. Now, we could run this over and over and over again until we have a really good line. Actually, 2 points is enough for us to make a graph. Let's try it out. Let's make a chart. I'm going to scroll down on Customize and add in, there we go, a trend line. Cool. I am also going to tell it to show the equation. Oh, great. So what I can do is calculate how far the ball will go when I push. So go ahead, sketch out your idea for how you can move the ball, and then make a robot to play bocce ball. I'm going to give you one tip. I used what's called a rack and pinion gear. It has straight gears and turning gears. All right, have fun. Bye. Bye.